Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, here to talk about how to leverage a popular recipe trend in your operation. Pimento cheese has been a regional favorite for years. Now it's gaining traction nationally, and not just as a spread on its own, but in recipe applications like pimento chicken sandwiches, pimento grilled cheese, and more. Sure, you can take this one recipe and use it in a variety of ways in your weekly menu. But have you thought about what else you can make along the line of spreads? By combining our shelf-stable cheese sauces with our natural shreds and other ready-to-eat ingredients, you not only get a recipe that's lower in sodium, but you can also incorporate different flavor profiles using any of the sauces from our shelf-stable line. Here's how. By using our other sauces and shreds, you can open up a world of even more flavor profiles. Like cheesy pizza, which uses our ultimate white cheese sauce and mozzarella shreds. Or the Southwestern spread, that uses our mucho queso jalapeno cheese sauce and cheddar shreds. And finally, get a fresh pop of cheesy vegetable with the garden vegetable cheese spread that uses added carrots and onion. For all the recipes, you will use a half pouch of Land O'Lakes shelf-stable cheese sauce to 6 pounds of shredded cheese. It's easy to customize flavors by simply adding a few more ready-to-eat ingredients, then just combine, refrigerate until ready to serve. Now that you've made your cheese spreads, you can keep them refrigerated for safety and use them for your grab-and-go options in your cafeteria, like bento boxes or build your own kits. Beyond bentos, you can also get creative and use the spreads in sandwiches or wraps, like a garden vegetable wrap. Or put the Southwestern spread over a grilled chicken breast for a cheesy Southwestern chicken sandwich. The great thing about these spread recipes is that you can continue to get creative and keep your menu fresh. By adding just a few additional ingredients, you can change the flavor profile and expose kids to something new, all while keeping your staff's prep steps familiar and to a minimum. Please check us out on our website, on Facebook, or on our YouTube channel for more creative recipes and inspiration.